Welcome to 3 sauces every household should know. This one will be our jerk tomato veloute, Chef Winston style. Let's get cooking. Now, tomato sauce. Technically, it can be its own mother sauce depending on who you ask. But in French technique, tomato-based sauces usually comes from a combo of roux or stock and tomatoes. Think classical marinara, tomato cream sauce or Creole type sauces. From the tomato mother, you can get arrabbiata, puttanesca, and even the base for shashutka or stews. But me, I'm taking the idea and merging it into the veloute, smooth, rich, and stock-based, then dripping in some tomatoes, my jerk seasoning, and white wine. This isn't just for pasta, it's for grilled meats, rice bowl, or even oxtail stew. Let's start building this masterpiece. We're gonna start with some olive oil into the pan. After the oil, we're gonna add some onions. Sizzling. Beautiful. Follow that with some red bell pepper. Finely diced. You're gonna sweat this down some. These sauces here will make you look like a hero in your kitchen with your home, at home with your friends, your family, your loved ones. Guys, if you like every content I'm bringing to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Niceness coming your way every single week. And don't forget our FLORIBBEAN community, FLORIBBEAN Fusion foodies. That's coming as well. I'm so excited about that. More information coming soon. Or check the comments and check the description, and the information in the description for updates on that. So, you're sweating this down nice, smelling really, really good. Follow that with some garlic. Oh, yeah. Some garlic here. I'm gonna kiss it with a little bit of salt. We're building flavors. That's how you build a masterpiece, right? One layer at a time. Perfect. Now behind that, I'm gonna follow that with some tomato paste. The tomato paste, we're gonna bring in some rich, nice color and flavor to this. And season it up with a little bit of my mild jerk sauce. Right here. Not too much. This is a jerk, tomato jerk veloute. Woo! You don't want to kill it too heavy on them. Ah, beautiful. So behind that, we're gonna deglaze the pan with some red wine. Why not? Oh, look how rich this is coming along. Smelling very good, sophisticated, classic sauce here. Oh yeah. Behind that, I would like to use some fire roasted tomato that I don't have any, so we're gonna add some diced fresh plum Roma tomatoes. Turn it up. So that tomatoes has a lot of liquid in it. It's gonna break down. Then we're gonna follow that with some chicken stock. So beautiful this looking. So what's gonna happen here now? This is gonna come to a boil. We're gonna make it simmer for about a good 15 to 20 minutes to reduce it a bit. Maybe 15 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes maybe. Let's check it out, turn it up. And we're gonna come back and flavor that. All right, this has been simmering for about 8 minutes. This is what we're looking for, this consistency. And to finish this off, to mellow it out, to smooth it out, that little French touch, butter. Look at that. We're adding some butter, melted butter on top of this. Smooth it out. This dish here, this sauce, I'm telling you, the flavors, the combinations, all it's about is the mother sauce is the base, and you can build from there. So many types of sauces. Lovely. Okay, yes. So this is what this looks like. Beautiful. This is how you bring the heat and the flavor. We're just getting started, baby. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Like I said, you can put this sauce here over grilled fish, grilled chicken, a veal chop, a pork chop, over vegetables. You can toss this here with some pasta. Mix with your seafood. Make a nice little seafood fra diablo dish. Fra diablo meaning spicy, but fruit de mar, the fruits of the sea. This would be great, great dish for that. Oh my goodness. Guys, please give this one a shot. The recipe is in the community. We've got that community getting ready to launch. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Date night is coming back. So don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share, make a comment. If there's something you would like for me to make a comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to make it and shout you guys out. Coming up next, on my series about the 3 sauces every household should know, we are gonna make a mango hollandaise. This one is good for brunch. You don't wanna miss this one. Until next time, cheers.